Alright. Hey guys, this is Bess and welcome back to another unboxing. So this unboxing is basically from RageOn. The reason why I'm doing this unboxing is because I made a new store on RageOn and I wanted like the shirts to be printed from front to back, like everything printed. So I went ahead, I designed some shirts and I was like, okay, cool, I want a hoodie. Like I want a hoodie to have for the springtime so I could wear it. And, you know, just basically be a walking advertisement. So I went ahead and I looked up, you know, after I'm done with it all, and I was like, okay, I like it, I like the design. I went ahead, I chose one, and I went ahead and print that out. I got me a hoodie and I got Justin a shirt, so we shall see what it is. But good news is recently the mail came in and I got my package. So basically I got my package. It comes in a regular old white mailer bag and it says RageOn up on the top, and it has my address, the priority mail, and stuff like that. The cool part about it was based in Cleveland, so it came rather quick. I didn't think it was gonna come that quick, but it did take some time for processing. Processing took at least a week and a half, and then shipping included. I know I got the shipping and then 2 days later it came in. So that's basically what it is. But yeah, guys, I got my hoodie in here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open it up just to give you guys an idea. I hate these. Hold on. Okay, I ghettoed it, y'all. So yeah, so oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. Okay, so this is how the hoodie comes, and it's, oh my god, this is beautifully done. I'm sorry, I had like low expectations because I read reviews and I was kind of worried, but I am astonished. Like, I just want to take it out. I'm going to take it out the bag. So basically this is how it comes, and you have your little flappy in the back to take it out. You take your shirt out, you know. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Oh my god, guys, check it. Look at that. Isn't that a dream? Look at that. Then this is the back. This is the reason why I wanted this. So we have this side like that, and then we have the front like that, and it looks a little big, like it looks really big, so I think it's gonna run big on me. Ugh. This is why keto is really like me, because I'm losing a lot of weight and I know this is gonna be really big on me, but I'm cool with it because I like big hoodies, you know what I'm saying? Keep me warm. Let me stop. Yeah guys, so basically beautifully done. I feel that the quality is very good. It's really good quality. I paid $80 for it plus shipping and stuff like that. It comes up to like 90, and that's because you have to pay the taxes and all that good stuff. But yeah, you get the front and the back printed, and the bonus is inside the hoodie, and that's really cool. I never thought that they'll do something like that. Another cool thing is they have their RageOn logo right here. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead, I want to try it on and show you guys the whole shebang. Okay guys, so I got the hoodie, and you can see that it has a whole lot of fabric on it, you know what I'm saying? Because your girl got a 2X thinking, I don't know what I was thinking. So open it up, it's white in the inside, it's fleeced, so that means it's going to be a little bit warm. And boom. It's really big, but I'm cool with that. I'm cool with the bigness. I'm cool. Get down with the bigness, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, going ahead, I'm trying to get this situated. So yeah guys, what I'm kidding. All right, so yeah, basically this is how it is. It's really baggy, but I can't help that. I like it though. I like the bagginess because the whole thing about it is I can wear a sweater underneath this and I know I can get a longer use out of it. So cool with that. So yeah guys, got all my little chibis. We got Aiden, we got Vincent, we got Fuji right here on my side, you know, she my righty. And then in the back, this is basically how it is. If I were to put on the hoodie, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And I think it's really good quality. Like, I honestly believe that it's really good quality. It's cut off here, and I guess that's where the stitching will be, because there's a stitching here, and then here is just like cut off, but it's not a weird cut off where I hate it, you know what I'm saying? It's just okay for me. Nobody really is going to pay attention to that. They're going to pay attention to the front part of it. The inside of the hoodie, it's okay that some of it didn't get in, you know, like some of the stuff, but that's all good, you know what I'm saying? That's all good, because, you know, you're not really gonna look in the inside of the hoodie, I don't believe. So yeah, that's basically it. This is from this side and this is from the back, and then we have all the pulses on it. So if you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sit back down. I'm gonna go ahead and sit down so that I can finish off the rest of this unboxing. Alright guys, so I'm back in my hot seat. Yeah guys, so honest opinion, I feel that it's great quality. I feel like it was printed correctly. It's very high, like it feels high quality type stuff. I feel like it's worth the money you pay for, because it's a custom item, so it makes sense that it costs as much as it does. It's warm because I'm like feeling a little hot in here, so yeah, it's really warm, and I don't know, I love it. Like, I feel complete, like this is me and my stuff. Yeah, and you know, you get like the inside printed, like the parts where you would see the folds and stuff, they always have the print inside of it, so I kind of like that about it. The zipper works really well. It's not like, you know how when some zippers are like stuck and it's like, oh, for real, it doesn't give you that feel. Again, it's warm. Like right now I'm feeling really hot. I feel like I'm having a hot flash. But it's cool. Yeah, again, the folds always have the print continuing on from where it's at, so I feel like that's a plus. This is something that I will wear all the time. Like, I'm thinking about using it for spring or summer, for conventions, everything. So I'm gonna get use out of this sweater, and I'm going to purchase another one. I'm not too sure when I'm gonna purchase another one, but I'm gonna purchase one just to have it, and I'm gonna also purchase a shirt. Justin's shirt hasn't came in yet, and I purchased it at the same time. I don't know why it's like that, but the only thing that I will be skeptical about is the fact that you gotta wait so long for your product. That's the only thing, but it makes a lot of sense, and the simple fact is they're creating a custom item, so definitely give them some time. My store is down below, so if you guys want any of this type of merch, I have a whole bunch of ones with different patterns. I went with patterns because I felt that patterns work well when it's all around, and I just didn't want to go ahead and have something that's just on the front, everything is white, you know, just more for your buck, guys, more for your buck. I even made the galaxy on this, so this is originally me. All this is originally me. I made the galaxy, I made my chibis, I made my well, obviously my symbols, because that belongs to my book, and I also got Celestial Pulse because that's my book. So this is all me, and I give you guys as much as I can. So, you know, we're gonna, if you want to, we could talk about more designs on stream, because that's what we usually do. But I have a couple of designs there already, so if you guys want to go ahead and check it out and get yourself a nice RageOn sweater, go ahead and do so. They even have onesies and stuff like that. I want a onesie, but Justin hates them, so yeah. So yeah guys, I've been rambling. I'm super stoked on how awesome this came out. Like, oh my god, look at me. So yeah guys, if you like this video and this unboxing, a little bit of review of RageOn, go ahead and give me a like. And if you're new here and you're like, hey Bess, I like what you're doing, oh my god, that's so cool, go ahead and hit subscribe. I continuously do unboxings like this and art. art content, so you're gonna see me draw art. And yeah, click the subscribe, become our family member, enjoy us. We do a whole bunch of fun stuff. Remember guys, I stream every Fridays at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to be there or be square. Again guys, do this is awesome. But again, thank you for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye bye.